Rotted, where you get this? My grandson made me this white chocolate coconut cream cake. 40 nice.
I want to make a cake for you today.
Cake?
Where's your recipe book?
What me see bag last night.
Mix butter, add sugar slowly. Eggs, add coconut milk, coconut extract, vanilla. Mix together flour, baking powder, salt. Pour into baking tin. Grandma taste test.
God, they nice. Plenty in there. Look at the bottom. See some there?
Bake at 350 for 35 minutes. For icing, mix heavy cream, powdered sugar, white chocolate. Decorate cake with coconut flakes, strawberries, blackberries, raspberries, shaved chocolate.
Rotted. Pretty. What you say?